Alright guys, this is something I've been working on. It's just a work in progress. It's kind of like my baby right now, but I'm definitely going to have to change some bars and change a little things up. Plus I've been running out of breath a lot, so anyway, here it goes. I work hard for my money. Might not make a million. I want the best for my wife and toys for my children. I'm a family man. Give my sweat, time, and blood. If you threaten my loves, then I'll have to kill you. I don't claim to be a gangster or some type of thug. I'm a family man and my love's stronger than drugs. Don't disgrace my wife. I may take your life. I don't need a knife. Use my hands, alright? Squeeze your neck real tight. Don't need all my might. Make you see the light. Time to say goodnight. Now I'm getting off the subject. Y'all probably don't object. I'm not some suspect. Don't go getting upset. I'm trying to make it clear. This is the life I live. Blood, sweat, and tears are what I have to give. And they're my wife and kids. Why would I kid? That means more to me than some fancy crib. So let me thank God for blessings I've received, the love He's given me, my wife and family. These are the kind of things that make me manly as I get down on my knees. I love you and I sing. I'm a family man, may never make a million. I want the best for my wife and toys for my children. I'm a family man, give my sweat, time, and blood. If you threaten my loves, then I have to kill you. Midland is where I come from. There's nothing to do for fun. Set an example for my son. Mess with the girls, I'll get my gun. That 50 cal eagle ain't no fun. Left you face down in that sun. Watch your mouth, boy. You ain't my son. You know I'm gonna get her done. I'm just showing off my flow, letting you know I can rhyme. If this song gives me dollars, that's better off than dimes. Talking about dimes, the one I need's already mine, and that's my wife. In my eyes, she's fucking fine. If looks could kill, she'd be a crime. Don't need your opinion, they say love is blind. Disagree, you are blind. Best to shut your mouth and make your manners mine. Tell me how twisted is your mind. Better glasses you should find. Best you get on ropey side, 'cause up this ladder I will climb. On top of the game I'm what you'll find. A law-abiding family man. Motherfuck the crime. This star is getting brighter. Just you wait till I really shine.